All teams have information they need to share. With secure content, only the people you allow will have access to your content. You select who does what and get real-time insight into the activity of your content. Here, we see Lane, our HR director, inserting a secure content macro into a page she's created to share information on the company's insurance policy. Lane assigns a unique key to her secure content block. With this key, she can insert the same block with the same content in other Confluence pages. Lane adds the sensitive content, formatted with rich text editing, for access by upper management and those employees enrolled in this particular plan. Lane sets permissions. The CEO gets administrative permissions, while the CFO gets edit permissions. Employees in this plan receive read permissions. To access the secure content, those with permissions simply enter their Confluence password to unlock. In the Owner tab, Lane sets notification level for her secure content. She can be notified every time her secure content is accessed, or only when the content or permissions are modified. Lane opts for the edit notification level to reduce noise. Here, Lane can also select the box to make her secure content transferable, which lets the Confluence administrator reassign ownership of the block if necessary. Lane also opts for this secure content to implicitly render so that any user logged into Confluence with viewing permissions will see the content automatically displayed on the Confluence page without having to manually unlock it. Using the Secure Content Owner Report macro, Lane is able to see and manage all her secure content from a single report view. Lane can click into her secure content from this view to make updates. All secure content activity is fully audited and can be viewed in the Blocks Owner tab. Users like Brett that don't have access to the secure content can request it, which notifies the owner, who can then grant that access. With access, we now see Brett editing Lane's secure content. Lane gets real-time notification in Confluence that the content has been modified. Lane sees Brett's modifications and decides to revert back to the previous version of the content by simply selecting the previous version from the dropdown and clicking Save to roll back to the original content. No more need to lock down entire pages. Get powerful protection, customizable permissions, and easy administration with Secure Content 2.0.